The low-speed braking control can issue alerts and apply the brakes to reduce the severity of low-speed impacts. It's designed to issue visual and audible alerts when it determines a collision is possible while moving forward or in reverse between approximately 2 and 10 kilometers per hour. If a collision is imminent, the system can apply the brakes to mitigate the severity of a possible impact. It uses sonar sensors in the front and rear to detect obstacles. A few seconds after the system applies the brakes, it will release them. To remain stopped, apply the brake pedal. If you'd like to turn the system off, first press the safety support switch to the left of the steering column. Turn the selector wheel on the left side of the steering wheel until the low-speed braking control is highlighted in the driver information interface. Press the selector wheel in to turn the system off. You can turn it back on by using the same procedure. Note that the low-speed braking control will default to on after the vehicle is shut off and restarted. Also be aware that after the low-speed braking control has been activated, it will not activate again for the same obstacle. And the system may activate in some situations when there's no risk of collision, such as when driving on uneven pavement. Low-speed braking control may not detect all objects in front of or behind the vehicle. Accuracy will vary based on weather, speed, and other factors. The driver remains responsible for safely operating the vehicle and avoiding collisions.